my god! Hi guys! I'm Finn and welcome to my first ever vlog. Ayan, so eto na, finally nag-vlog na ako. Oh my gosh, finally. I'm vlogging kasi tomorrow pupunta kami ng friend ko, Nikki Torres. Nikki and I will be going to Makati sa design studio to get our hair done. Magka-color kami ng hair, finally! Sobrang tagal ko na gusto mag-color ng hair kasi eto na yung roots ko. Andiyan na yung roots ko. And ito yung haba ng hair ko. Ayan. And I think it's been like 6 months or more nung huli ako magpa-color. And I'm so excited to go to design studio kasi it's actually my first time to go there. And Nikki and I bought a voucher online sa dealgrocer.com for a huge discount para, ayun nga, magpa-color. And, ayun, super excited ko kasi yung reviews sa salon na yon is amazing. Doon nagpapacolor ng hair yung mga vloggers like Chris Uy, si Laureen Uy, and many more. So, yeah, I'm super excited because ayon sa reviews, sobrang great daw talaga ng service doon. And, ayun nga, I hope and pray na sana mangyari na magawa yung gusto ko talagang peg for my hair. Kasi, I've been coloring my hair for like 3 years now. And, hanggang ngayon, I haven't found the perfect salon that can do my hair perfectly. Color, to be exact, my hair color perfectly. Hey guys, it's now the next morning, which is a Monday. It's April 24th, and I'm currently going down na, papunta na kay Nikki since nasa lobby na daw siya. And oh my gosh, na-excite ako. Pero sabi nga ni Nikki, wag daw ako ma-excite kasi pag na-excite lalong ma-jinx yung mangyayari. So, kaya nga, naglalakad na ako papunta elevator. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Namumug ako. Naglakbay pa po siya ng 3 bundok bago makarating dito. Got off of Grab kasi nag-grab lang kami papunta dito, and I'm with Nikki, and stress siya dahil sa voucher niya kasi hindi pa nag-i-email yung deal grocer sa kanya. And then, so they washed off the first color of my hair. So ayan, mukha akong, like, I could tell someone else's fortune. Hey vlog, it's now 4 in the afternoon and we're currently still waiting for this second round of bleach to process. And ayun, Nikki is not here. She's there, winawash yung hair niya. I don't know if you can hear me, but ayan, warm up pa yung bleach. So, ayan, I'll update you guys later. Bye! So, they just shampooed my hair and I'm currently on treatment. There. I think it's for about 15 minutes, I think. And yeah, I'm done with the toning process na rin. So, treatment na siya. ganito and doon. And medyo awkward na, kasi kanina pa kami naglalakad, wala kami mapagbigyan.
Hindi na lang yung kalahati mayroon.
So, this is the result of my brows being waxed. Ngayon lang siya ganyan kanipis kasi I usually get them done na makapal talaga. And masakit pa rin yung upper lip ko, pero okay lang. I think it will subside in an hour or 30 minutes. So, ayun. Ang ganda lighting. Ang ganda lighting. And we're just here sa Etude House kasi we're just killing time. Ayaw pa namin umuwi. And we're still not hungry yet. Kasi nga, we ate pizza kanina. Hey guys, we're currently here at SM Makati at the beauty section of the department store. And I'm just following Nikki right now. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya pupunta. And ayun, medyo natatempt ako kasi, you know, makeup. But I'm currently super broke. I don't have any cash with me right now besides the cash that I'll be using for transpo later. Actually, meron naman. Kaso ipon ko kasi yun. Ayoko nagastusin. Ha? Mommy? Pero, ayun. We're here at Forever 21, just roaming around, and also Nikki bought lashes pala. It's her first time to try lashes daw, and yeah. And I think we're going to H&M later again to buy something, parang hair accessory siya. I had that before, nung high school pa, pero I don't know where I lost it. Parang siyang bandana na red and printed siya. And, ayun, medyo mahal, pero nakaka-tempt. Gusto ko talaga siya bilhin. Kasi it's a really nice accessory for like everyday lang. Or like when you go to school, when you have errands. Cute lang siya. Ang arte. Pero yun, I think I'm gonna buy it. And it's from H&M. Actually, they have something similar here dito sa Forever 21. But it's not quite the same as the thing that they have for kanina sa H&M. Grabe, my face is red right now. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Tignan mo, red ng mukha ko.
Yung ngiti ko na.
And here nga pala, yung finished product ng color. Yes! Ayan siya. And kinurl nila siya para daw mas maganda. Ayan. Gusto ko siya kasi ma-dimension siya. Not like kapag usual salons lang na flat sila magkulay. I like this better.
And here's my TV for today. This is a top from I don't actually know where I got it. Oh, it's from Surplus. Pants are from Aeropostale and shoes are from Hue Manila. And may dumadaan-daan sa harap. Ito yung bibili ko. Sobrang cute. Thanks, Nikki.
So, hey guys, it's now 8:55, almost 9 p.m. and nandito pa rin kami, but inaantay na lang din namin yung, ano ba yan? Uber pool. Actually, first time namin ni Nikki and sana walang mag-aaway. Walang mag-aaway sa Uber pool.
I-vlog mo pag may away.
Ayan, i-vlog ko kapag may mag-aaway. So, ayan, naantay lang namin. So guys, I'm finally almost home. Ayan na, nasa elevator na ako and we're here. And it was a long day, pero it was fun. Kasi nga, I got to hang out with Nikki and sorry for the lighting. And ayun, I'm happy with my hair naman. And I'm glad I didn't spend that much sa mga binili-bili. So, ayun na. Hope to see you guys on my next Hope to see you guys in my next vlog and thank you for watching.